so sorry that I'm just now getting this out, but you have about 4 hours left on a flash sale for the Go Pure Vitamin C Dry Oil. It helps hydrate, give you a dewy look, repair your skin, just all the things, and it's really great. It doesn't leave your skin oily or nasty, like day or night, day and night, over your moisturizer, under your moisturizer. You can literally do anything with this product that you want to do and use it how you want to use it. It is 50% off, $19, so go grab you some and let us know what you think.